Ciao amici, this is Alessia, Italian tutor at Flavours. Today I'm going to give you a few details about a course I designed on purpose for Flavours students. Italian for Holidays. It's gonna start in a month, about a month, Wednesday, 11th of February at 2 p.m. for an hour, and it will last for 6 weeks. We're gonna cover the basics, the foundation to start learning Italian. The course will be perfect for any of you who booked already an Italian course for your holidays and is going to give you some basics, or for those ones who never learned Italian, would like to join the Italian holiday and maybe are worried about not knowing anything. It's gonna give you the basics that will allow you to attend the course and the holiday in full relax. We're going to cover the basics Italian alphabet, phonetics, simple introduction, greetings, how to tell your nationality, have a small talk in Italian, and then simple phrases to order snacks, drinks at bar and at the restaurant, and of course the basic vocabulary. For further information, you can ring up the office or check on the website. We are gonna meet on the 11th of February next month. See you there. Ciao!